Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Hoping you all are in good health. Let's move on to the recipe for today, spicy grilled chicken with potato. We're going to use a very simple marinade for this, and I've used 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, and to which we'll be adding some Indian spices. So let's begin. We are adding red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Please add it according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, and 3/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. You can add lemon juice instead of the chaat masala. Salt, I've added 1 teaspoon. You can add it according to your taste. And some oil. We'll be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil instead of water. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. Mix all of this together to form a smooth marinade. And to add some color to the marinade, we'll be adding some color or Kashmiri red chili powder. So this has given a nice red color to the marinade, and we'll add a bit of water to just make it of the right consistency. I've used chicken breast for this. You can use thighs too. So the chicken breasts are ready, and I'm going to add in the marinade to this. I used about 5 chicken breasts for this. We're going to marinate the chicken and leave it for about 3 to 4 hours, and if you can marinate it overnight, that would be the best. Let's heat a grill pan. You can either bake it or grill it or cook it on a pan, a skillet or a grill pan, and this can be used for wraps, salads, tacos, or just have it as it is. So this is a very versatile recipe and it's so simple and easy to make. So after brushing the pan with some olive oil, I've added the chicken breast to it. We'll cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side and gently flip them over. Okay, we flipped all the chicken pieces and we're going to cook on the other side for the next 4 to 5 minutes. So once it's done, flip it again and cook it on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. The chicken is cooked and we'll transfer it to a plate and I'll add the rest of the pieces of chicken to it. Fry the chicken pieces on the grill pan for the same amount of time, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Since the chicken is marinated really well, it'll be cooked really fast. And for the potatoes, I've used 3 potatoes which I boiled for 2 minutes in salt water. And this we are going to add into the rest of the marinade that was left from the chicken. This is an amazing recipe. In the meantime, the chicken breast is ready and we'll remove this onto our plate. And in the same pan, add in the potatoes. This is really delicious and it tastes really good with the spicy masala from the chicken. You can use any other vegetables instead of potatoes. And it's as simple as this. In no time the grilled chicken is ready. The spicy grilled chicken along with potatoes is ready to serve. So in a serving dish you can use a sizzler plate. For that you have to heat the sizzler plate on high for some 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can place your chicken pieces on it. And you can also add any kind of sauce to this to make the plate sizzle. And let's add in the potato pieces onto the plate and garnish it with some onion, lemon slices and coriander.